In the last video, we have learned how to move the text, and also we have added the picture. And the video before that, we have learned how to create a simple HTML page with heading text and some horizontal lines and paragraphs we have added. Now in this video we will be learning how to move from one page to another just by clicking one link. So basically we will be trying to uh, add some link so that when we click we can go from one page to another. So for that, here just in the page I will be adding our anchor tag. So the anchor tag will start with our A, and after that we have to write the hyperlink reference, and that is the address of the page where I want to move, and then we have to close the anchor tag as we do. So here we have to write the address. So this is my address. Inside the D folder, D drive, we have HTML folder, and there we have my first HTML page, and the file is .html. So this is where I want to move once click, but what to click we have to write in between the anchor tag. So what to click, let me write it here. Click here to move in the first HTML page. So to make it down, so inside this anchor tag I have written click here to move in the first page. Click here to move the first page, or let's say first page of the HTML, or you can like click to move the first page, the first HTML page. Once you have done this, do not forget to save it. Let us go to our browser. Our second page, here I have done the editing. So once I click it here, it is not taking me to the next page. The background color is also not making it visible, so let me make it red. Save it, go here and refresh it. So you can see click here, click to move the first HTML page, it is visible here. So what I'll do, let me make here one, let me give one page break, so BR. Okay, and before the marquee tool also I can give one break too, so it will give one line break here, and you can see it is coming here. So here you can see it is written click to move to the first page. So if I click, it will take me to the first page. Okay, if I click here, it will take me to the first page. So same thing I can do in the second page also, the first page also, so that I can come to this second page. So in my second page also I have added this anchor tag with href, and this is my second HTML video.html. This is my second page name, and click here to move to the, here I have to change it to second HTML page. Okay, so let me change a little here, save it. Now if I click it here, you can see I am moving to the first page, and in the first page also there is something written here, move to the second page. So if I click it, it will take me to the second page. If I click it here, it will take me to the first page. Okay, so this is our hyperlink, and the tag we have used here is anchor tag. If we write anything in the table, in a tabular form with a heading and table row and a table column, then it is easy for us to save the data, and it is very much easy to retrieve the data. We can see the data in a proper way, and it's easy for us to retrieve the data also. So for that, we'll try to make one table here. So table in HTML will create with table tag, and we'll end the table tag also here. So this is my starting table and the ending table tags, and inside the table tag we have to write some other code. So first, we know that in the table we have to write the rows. So first row, basically we try to dedicate that particular row for heading purpose. So let us add table row. One row I am adding. One row I can add with table row called tr tag, that is table row, and let me end this with tr tag. So tr starting and ending we have done, and inside the tr tag, now what I want to do, I want to put some heading. So th stands for heading, and I have to close it definitely, th tag, and let me paste it multiple times. So 3 headings we have. Let us give them heading like name, and then we can place city, or we can say place, and then we can put some something like our pin. Okay, let us save it, and let us see the output here. You can see it is coming name, place, and pin. Okay, so this is my heading, but we cannot see any border here. So let us put some border here. So for that, again I will go to my code, and here in my table, after the table I will write border, and then I will define one pixel here. Let us define 2, and let us see now whether I have some border here, and the border is visible. So the border is visible here now. This is my heading. Now let us add some data below. For that, I will add another table row, but instead of table heading, I will be writing the table data. So instead of table, let me give some tab. So this is my table row, this is my another table row. So instead of table heading, we'll be writing table data. This is the only thing we'll do. So in place of name, let us give some name. Firoz. Place, let me give Kashmir, and in the pin let me give some random pin. I do not know any pin from that place, so this is my pin. Save it, and let me refresh it, and you can see name Firoz, place Kashmir, and pin, it is visible. So very quickly let me add few table data here. So I have added some data here. Let me save it, and let's see, and you can see here all the data are visible here. As you can see, the border is not that kind of visible. You can set the color of the border here. So Let us go to the border here table. Here I can add border color equal to, let me make it blue. So if I refresh it, I can see it is coming blue. We can choose yellow also here. And the border is very nicely visible. We can adjust the width of the table. Definitely it is written here. We can set the width. Let me set the width as, let me set it to 200. Let's see, refresh it. So now we have little space. Okay, so let me increase it to 400, and we'll have a table like this. Okay, so then also we can align our text. So let me go here and align the text in the center. Align, center. See, so this is actually not just placing the table in the middle, but not the text. So for that we have to change this align to realign. Okay, so realign, let me take it to from here, let me take it and put it here in the row. Align center to center. Let's see whether we have any change here, and you can see the data is coming in the middle. So it's very easy to do. And let us choose alignment center, and we can see the data is coming in the middle. You can set the BG color to pink. Here I have the row where we have written the heading. I am writing BG color as pink. Let us see the output. So you can see the heading is now in pink, and let us set the BG color of others as here you can set it to blue. Okay, let us see the output. Okay, save it and refresh it. You can see the BG color is blue here. So in this video we have learned about how to apply this table tag in our code and how to get the output, how to arrange it in a proper way. In the next video we'll learn more about this, how to write this bold, italic tags and all. And so for that, please keep watching and do watch the next video where we'll be handling the big element, strike element, sub and super element, and also we'll design some list items. So thank you very much for watching the video till the end.